Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block your Outlook calendar for out of office time. All right, let's begin. First, open Outlook on your PC and click the calendar option on the left side of the screen. Once you're in calendar view, click New Event in the upper left corner to create a new calendar entry. Next, select the date and time period when you'll be unavailable. If you're going to be out for the entire day, enable the All Day option. For longer absences, choose multiple dates by selecting the desired date range. After that, click the Availability Status dropdown near the top of the event window. By default, it may be set to free. Open the dropdown menu and select Out of Office. You can also add a title such as Do Not Book Meetings and include additional details in the description if needed. Once everything is set up, click Save to create the event. Your calendar will now show you as out of office during the selected time, helping prevent others from scheduling meetings during that period. So that's basically how you can block your Outlook calendar for out of office time. That's it for this video. Thanks.